Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. Today on the channel, we'll be looking at the Masters of the Universe Revelations Wave 1 figure of Mossman. And here we go. Here's Mossman. Now, a quick correction that I need to say is that in the last video, I told you guys that only the heads can only be removed. Everything else cannot. Of course, that's not correct. I apologize. You can also move the hands from the figures as well. As you can see, there's other gripping, like other hands that come included in the figures, like Mossman here. And also, he comes with this vine branch type weapon. It kind of reminds me of like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. He can extend his hand out, to form like weapons, like branches and stuff like that, to use as a weapon. But there you go. And we'll move it over to the side here. You see his amazing shot here from the side here of him with some beautiful artwork here, as always. And we'll flip it around to the back to show some more artwork as well. It's in a bio of Mossman, heroic spy and master of camouflage. And got Skeletor and Beastman in the background here in the swamp. And of course, we've done all these other figures on the channel if you wish to go back and watch them. There you go. Now it's funny. We got this particular Mossman in Wave 1 of MasterVerse Revelations, and we're now getting that Origins deluxe form here in a month or so. It's going to be a Walmart exclusive. It's going to be flocked. It's going to have that pine scent. It's going to have, different head sculpts. That classic Beastman, original Beastman head sculpt, and the Lords of Power Beastman head sculpt, with also that yellow battle armor that you found in that weapons pack. So yeah, I found it really, weird that we got this particular Mossman so early in MasterVerse Revelations, and finally, I would say about Wave 13, maybe Wave 14, we're finally getting it in Origins. And it's also available, he's also available as a CGI character as well, if you also collect that line as well, the CGI Masters Universe on Netflix, the more kid-friendly, young kid-friendly show. So, but there you go. I do have a loose version of Mossman here. There we go. Hope he stands. All right, and right off the bat, the one thing I don't like, and I have a feeling like a lot of people, don't like it too, is the fact that he is not flocked. He's not flocked. He doesn't have that pine scent that he's known for and familiar and famous for. But you never know. Mattel, with the Masters Revelations, can do a re-release of this particular character. That could be flocked. You could have that pine saw scent aroma on the character. Like look at Faker. The Faker Deluxe that came out in Wave 2, I think. Had that, it was more based on that filmation style Faker, with the normal skin tone and stuff like that. And now we're getting that re-release Faker with the blue skin and stuff like that people are familiar with and love. So you never know. So maybe we'll get that, re-release, Mossman that will be flocked. And it's probably gonna be maybe a Walmart exclusive, maybe, and stuff like that. So who knows? We'll see what happens, guys. But it's still a fun character, a great character to have. I just wish he was flocked. But you can move the body around, you can move the head side to side. You can move the legs up and down. You can do a little bit splits, guys, but not much. Of course, like I said, you can remove the hands if you wish. Boom. So now I have that tree branching. The only thing about the tree branching, it's very top heavy. It's very heavy, so it could tip over. So I just got to be reminded for that, guys. But if you have peg stands and stuff like that, you can, put the the feet in the stands and help it give it, let it stand up properly and stuff like that. trust that, but oh yeah, I mean, it's best I can do right there, guys. But yeah, you can see, you know, the hand extension, you know, about to grab somebody and tangle them up in his branches and stuff like that. I do like the look of this particular Mossman. I like that, you know, the angry, you know, like face he has, stuff like that serious tone. He's about to kick some butt. Here, what he looked like back in the classics version. All right, back thanks to Pixel Dan and, you know, Dark Horse Comics. As you can see here, this version is flocked. And also, as the classics version, and I mean, I'm sorry, as the vintage version, the classic version also had that pine saw scent. And also came with 2 different versions of this particular Mossman. The first version, as you can see, the ears were not flocked, and a lot of fans, you know, a lot of collectors were not too happy about that. So they did a re-release, and you can see with the re-release, they actually flocked the ears as well. There you go. And I'm hoping that, you know, Mattel will do another release of Mossman down the road. Because, you know, even Merman, you know, when we got the first version of Merman on MasterVerse, of course, it was a much older Merman, but now we're getting that re-release of Merman, you know, that classic look Merman we all know and love. So, maybe, so just fingers crossed, maybe we'll get, you know, a version of this particular Mossman, which is going to be part of Origins as well, coming soon. But we'll probably, hopefully, we'll get this particular Mossman in Revelations as well. That flocked form. There you go. So yeah, you know, this is still a fun character to have, guys. But to be honest, guys, I'm trying to remember him being in the 2-part movie. And he must have had like a short cameo, I think. Or unless he was fighting Evil Seed. But there you go. There's a quick look at Mossman. You know, a fun character. As always. A fun character to play and collect. So there you go, guys. So there's a quick look and review of the Masters of the Universe Revelations Mossman from MasterVerse. Alright, guys, I want to take the time out to say thank you, guys, for all my new subscribers. If you have you made it through this video and haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe to the video, guys. It mean a lot. You know, like I said, I like doing these videos, like doing these reviews with you guys, like talking Masters Universe, all things Master Universe. Hit that thumbs up button, guys, and hit that notification bell, guys, so when you know when I upload new videos. And tomorrow I'll be doing a review of Skelegod, which was part of Wave 1 of MasterVerse. Oh, and a reminder, guys, to let you guys know that this Friday, the Snake Mountain Origins playset will go up for pre-order. Okay? This Friday on the 28th. And you can pre-order it pretty much, you know, anywhere. Big Bag Toy Store, Entertainment Earth, Amazon, probably Walmart.com, Target.com. And it's going to go roughly about $79.95 plus tax, plus shipping and stuff. I'm thinking about a little over $100. So, yeah. So, this little heads up for you guys that the Masters of the Universe Snake Mountain Origins playset, again, will be up for pre-order this Friday. Okay? Alright, guys. So, I hope you guys have a great night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a review of Skelegod. Until then, guys, take care.